Hi guys, and welcome to the first of many package openings from Blind Wolf Cosplay. Today on the DVD reviews. Welcome back, guys. So I received this package here from Blind Wolf Cosplay this morning. I've already opened it and I've already taken out what was inside because it was all wrapped up in bubble wrap, and it was also had packing peanuts in, or like styrofoam pieces, or polystyrene. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of it. This is the Motorola 500, I think, which is the MT500 radio prop replica, or 3D printed prop replica from Ghostbusters 1. Now this is the first of many prop replicas I want to buy. And this is the first one. This was the most affordable right now at only £30. The next one, which will be the biggest one, will of course be the Proton Pack, the Proton Pack prop replica, and that's £800. I'm gonna maybe have to do like a payment plan or a price plan for that, because maybe I can like pay £100 for 8 months to then gradually get to the £800 for the Proton Pack, or maybe come to some other agreement, but that's what I'm going to do to gradually get that pack. And so that's £800, and I'm going to try and work on getting that next time. I've got to save up for that over the coming months. But here is the envelope that came with the walkie-talkie or the radio, just here. So let's show you these goodies first, then I'll show you the item itself. So this item has a USB charging port, so you can charge it up. So it comes with a little USB lead that I can plug it onto my computer and charge it up, which is pretty cool stuff. It also comes with these little cards, this little card here with the No Ghost logo saying what it is, and of course a business card from Blind Wolf Cosplay. Now they are on Facebook, they are on Etsy, that's where they sell their items, and I think they're on Instagram as well. But this is the little business card, Blind Wolf Cosplay. So this is pretty cool. And this item was only £30. That was also including delivery to me. Ooh. And I just dropped the hex key, which I will just, I'll just pick this up just 1 minute. Sorry about that, guys. So this little hex key comes with it, so you can open it up and plug in the charger to charge up the walkie-talkie. And this is just a little piece of paper saying about it, just here, which is pretty cool stuff. And now for the item itself. So here is the walkie-talkie in a holster, like a leather holster, which of course can go onto the Ghostbuster pistol belt, which I've got for the Ghostbusters uniform. So it just comes out here like this, and this is 3D printed. So this is my first ever 3D printed prop from Ghostbusters, the closer little look at it just there. Pretty cool stuff. There's a little switch on the top here that just turns it on. And there's a little button on the side with sounds from the movie. Now listen to this.
It's right here, and it's looking at me. He's an ugly little spud, isn't he? I think he can hear you, Ray. Don't move. It won't hurt you. Ray, come in, please. Spangler, I'm a Bankman. He's not flying. That's great, Ray. Save some for me. Get down here right away. I just went into a ballroom.
And that's it. It's 10 clips from the movie, and this is a really cool piece to go to my Ghostbusters cosplay. So I'm really happy that I've got this for my upcoming prop, collection to get. They also they also have the proton pack, which is the item I'm determined to get next through payment plans. So I'm going to organise one of those and hopefully get that in a while. They also do the ghost trap, which has lights and sounds, so I plan to get that. And I think the ghost trap is £200. And they also do the PKE meter, which is similar to the Mattel version, except with this one it doesn't have the dial on the back that you've got to keep turning to make the wings go faster, the lights go faster. It's all integrated into the what button you press on the PK, so I might get this one as well, and that costs £120, and all these prices has delivery included. So I'm very forward to getting some more stuff from Blind Wolf Cosplay. But this was my latest update. So from me to you for now, guys. Until next time, goodbye and take care for now, guys. Woo!